Hi everyone. So in the Allplan report section, we define the attributes we will use in reports. Allplan report hierarchy is divided into selections that I will explain in this video. We can expand each selection to see its corresponding attributes. Also, we can expand the attribute to see where we can tweak its settings. When we expand from, we can see the source from where Allplan will draw information for attributes in this selection. For each of the added attributes, we can change the name or formula that could be assembled from one or more parameters. We can open formula editor also, where we can write our own custom formulas. On the left side, we can choose the area and specific attributes tied to that area. Also, we can use different functions and operations in combination with attributes. Next, we have data type. Here we can select the appropriate data type we will want to use for our attribute, and this will be automatically filled out, so don't worry. Next, we can select the unit. 1 represents centimeters, 2 represents decimeters, and 3 represents meters. We can sum identical values by using add identical values option. Moving on with format, you can round the values at the preferred number of decimals. This is where Allplan will draw information for this selection. We have a wide selection. All the different information is extracted from the different types of reports. With the filter option, we filter down the relevant information that we want to use in this report. For example, this report selects only the concrete works. How is this visible? Well, this is visible from the first part of the formula, GW equals 12, and the second part of the formula corresponds to the elements that will not be selected. A whole list of elements along with their IDs can be accessed in the Allplan program files. The correct file to look for is called object.000. Building group refers to the functionality of extracting specific information from different project catalogs. Remove zero option gives us an option to ignore the elements whose attribute value is equal to 0. There are several selections remaining, for example, material, brief text, story, etc. But probably the most interesting one is the graphics attribute. Here we can set all the different parameters that refer to the graphical displays in the reports, such as width, height, hidden line image, and so on. Under the view, we choose the viewing angle for our graphic, along with other options such as horizontal and vertical centering. In Select 3, we can see that the information is extracted from the quantity calculation area. Attributes assigned here all refer to some kind of quantities that need to be extracted from the model. For example, the attribute quantity will extract information about the quantities according to the type of calculation given when defining the element. Also, one of the more useful options here is the ability to define a VOB. VOB is a document where you can enter what you want to be considered or not when it comes to quantities. You can find the VOB document in the Allplan etc folder. VOB can be edited using Notepad++, and here is how it looks. In Allplan parameters, you can find parameters that are located in the header and footer of the report page. You can completely modify these parameters as you want. Here you can see all the active parameters present in this report. Feel free to add more or mess with the settings if you want. That's all for this lesson, and see you in the next one.